Circle pose. Come on all fours. All fours means 2 palms plus 2 knees. Extend the right leg out. Extend the left arm out. Go down on your forearm. Circle 7 times with the same right leg. Chakrapadasana. Reverse. Keep the toes loose and pointed at the feet. 4, 5, 6, 7. Come back and come on all fours. Extend the left leg out. Right hand out. Down on your forearms. 7 circle clockwise and 7 anti-clockwise so that we don't do a step treatment to any leg hip high. 7. Reverse. Return. And we sit in Virasana. Heels are apart. Niche बैठो. Only those who have knee conditions are excused. In Virasana, we twist again. And in twisting Virasana, we do 11 abdominal breaths. Inhale, inflate the abdomen like a balloon. Exhale, bring it back to normal. When you inflate the abdomen like a balloon, push your full pelvis down to the mat. Pura anus, susuka area, pura pelvic, vaginal area, push करो नीचे. Exhale करते वक्त normal down. On finishing 11, other side. Remember, I'm sitting in Virasana, okay? My thighs are touching each other and I'm completely on the floor at the pelvic platform. And I'm doing abdominal breathing. As I do the opposite of Mula Bandh. I push, push, push. ऐसे निकालती हूँ पूरा pelvic platform. Inhale करते वक्त. I push my pelvic platform out as I inhale and bring it back to normal as I exhale. Hope you're feeling the same, doing the same. On finishing 11 in Virasana, abdominal breaths in a twist. So it's a Triyaka Virasana. I come back in Vajrasana so that my hip bones are resting on my heels. And then I get my knees apart. while my toes are touching behind. And I go down, sliding my hands, getting my cheek on the mat, and then my elbows on my knees. You can even keep pushing your hips, tapping them with your palms so you go further down and spread your knees further apart. Change sides. Don't expect anything in this posture except a big stretch in a small area where the legs meet the pelvic platform. Come up, inhaling, connect your knees, get your hands into fists with the thumbs inside and go down, massaging all your organs as you exhale. Return, inhaling. Repeat this. On finishing 2 rounds of what we just did, the forward bend Manduk Asana. Drop your hips down to any one side and come into Supta Sukhasana. Those who have frozen shoulders, hands alongside the body. Others hold the elbows up. Don't count, just start abdominal breathing. Those who have felt incomplete with today's workout by way of asanas, after 3 more abdominal breaths, do an asana of your choice. Others, continue abdominal breathing, don't count. I am doing an asana of my choice because the mind gave signals to me while the body gave signals to the mind. So I choose to do one posture. You need not. Or you may. You need not or you may. Discontinue the posture of your choice or the Supta Sukhasana, whatever you chose to continue. when you were told to choose, and straighten your legs. Continue lying down. Bend your left knee and turn to your right side. Interlock your fingers under your cheekbone. Make sure your elbow is touching the knee. I can either show you the posture or monitor